Hey friends, today we're going to be making our own raw mix using the Forever Dog Blend.
Okay, be honest. Has the chaos of the holidays ever made you forget something important? Because I forgot to order Zeke's food. The holidays honestly had me completely overstimulated with work, studying, life, and just everything in general felt so much that I honestly forgot to order his food. The good thing is that instead of panicking, I went back to basics and made a simple raw bowl with what we had. If feeding your dog ever feels overwhelming, you're not alone. Follow us for real life feeding, not perfection.